Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow. You can relax and listen one step at a time. This morning, Emma is trying to get downtown for an important meeting, but everything feels messy. She almost gets on the wrong bus. The buses are crowded, and her morning coffee ends up on her shirt. Her friend Jake stays with her through the busy morning ride. Here is your listening question. What problem does Emma have on the bus? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when the story is finished, you can write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember the story better. Now, let's begin.
Wait, was that our bus?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that was the express bus.
Oh, wow, I almost got on.
That was close.
Seriously, my brain is still asleep.
Same. It's too early for this.
I barely made it out of my apartment.
Rough morning?
Very rough morning.
What happened?
I spilled coffee on my white shirt.
No way. Again?
Don't laugh.
I'm trying not to.
I had to change clothes twice.
That explains why you were late.
I was running the whole way here.
Well, you made it.
Barely.
At least we didn't get on the wrong bus.
True. That would make this morning even worse.
Where's the meeting again?
Downtown 9th Street office.
Right, the client meeting.
Yep, the important one.
Nervous?
A little. I really can't be late today.
We're good. We still have time.
I hope traffic isn't bad.
It probably will be.
Jake!
Sorry. Positive thoughts only.
Thank you.
Hey, look, here comes another bus.
Is that ours?
Hold on. Yeah, I think this is the right one.
Finally.
Ready?
As ready as I can be. I can't believe that bus was full.
Welcome to Monday morning.
This day already feels too long.
And it's not even 9 yet.
Exactly.
You look tired.
I stayed up late last night,
Working?
trying to finish that presentation.
Did you finish it?
Kind of.
That doesn't sound good.
I still changed 3 slides this morning.
Emma, nobody notices those things.
I noticed them.
Fair point.
Honestly, I just need coffee.
Didn't you already have coffee?
Most of it ended up on my shirt.
Right, I forgot about the coffee disaster.
Please stop calling it that.
Never.
It's been a long week already.
It's Monday.
I know. That's the sad part.
You still look fine, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, you look professional.
Even with no sleep?
Especially with no sleep.
That makes no sense.
Confidence. That's the secret.
I need some of that today.
You'll be okay. You always are.
I hope so. Wow, look at this line now.
Why are there so many people today?
Probably the train delay again.
Great. So the next bus will be packed too.
Most likely. Morning buses are the worst.
True. Nobody wants to talk.
Except us.
We're trying to survive together.
That sounds dramatic.
It is dramatic.
Oh wait, I see another bus coming.
Finally.
Please let us get on this one.
We're getting on this bus no matter what.
Hi, do you take cards?
Not today. The machine is down.
Seriously?
Yeah, cash only this morning.
Oh no. Okay, hold on.
Take your time.
I know I have some coins in here somewhere.
Monday mornings are always fun.
This is officially the worst one I've had in a while.
I hear that a lot.
Sorry, 1 second. My bag is a mess.
No rush.
Wait, that's a receipt.
Happens to everybody.
Why do I have 3 pens in here?
Better than no pens.
True.
You're getting closer.
Oh good, I found some coins.
Almost there.
Is this enough?
Let's see. Not quite.
You have got to be kidding me.
You're short by 50 cents.
Hold on, I think I have more.
Don't stress about it.
Everyone behind me probably hates me right now.
Nobody's awake enough to hate anybody yet.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good.
Okay, wait. Found it.
Perfect.
Finally.
You made it.
Barely.
Go grab a seat before the next stop.
Thanks for being patient.
No problem. Have a good morning.
I'm trying.
That's all any of us can do.
Fair enough.
Careful walking back there. It's crowded today.
Yeah, I noticed.
Your friend saved you a seat near the back.
Oh, good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, I survived step 1. Wow, this bus is loud today.
You mean the guy behind us?
Yeah, can you hear that music?
I think the whole bus can hear it.
Why doesn't he use headphones?
Some people just want an audience.
It sounds like dance music from 2008.
Honestly, kind of impressive.
Jake,
Sorry, I'm trying to enjoy the free concert.
I can feel the bass in my seat.
Morning buses are always interesting.
That's one word for it.
At least nobody is yelling today.
Don't say that too early.
Good point.
You know what's funny?
What?
A few minutes ago, I thought missing the bus was the worst thing ever.
And now?
Now I'm just happy we're sitting down.
Personal growth.
Exactly.
Honestly, this still feels better than driving.
Really?
Oh yeah, downtown traffic is horrible right now.
True. Parking is expensive too.
See? The bus is saving us money.
And giving us free music.
Premium service.
I'm starting to feel a little better now.
Told you, you just needed time to wake up.
And maybe another coffee.
Definitely another coffee.
Hey, did you ever take the bus to school when you were younger?
Every day.
Was it bad?
Terrible. One time, a guy brought a chicken onto the bus.
No, he didn't.
He absolutely did.
Why?
I never asked. I was too afraid of the chicken.
Okay, that's actually funny.
Thank you. I try.
This morning feels less stressful now.
Good. That meeting doesn't stand a chance against you.
That might be the nicest thing you've said all week.
Don't get used to it.
Wait, are we near downtown already?
Huh. I think we are. Wait, I think this is us.
Already?
Yeah, I just saw 9th Street.
Oh no, we need to move.
Let's go before the aisle gets worse.
Excuse me, sorry.
Careful.
Why is it so crowded all of a sudden?
Everybody gets off downtown.
I can't even reach the door.
We still have time.
Are you sure this is our stop?
Pretty sure.
Pretty sure is not helping me right now.
Okay, very sure.
Better.
Excuse us, please.
Sorry, coming through.
Watch your step.
Someone's backpack is stuck on my coat.
Hold on, I got it.
Thanks.
No problem.
Oh, wow. This bus is stopping already.
We're good. Just keep moving.
I hate being in people's way.
Nobody cares. Everybody just wants coffee.
Fair point.
Almost there.
Wait, is that our building outside?
Yep, that glass building on the corner.
Okay, now I'm stressed again.
Don't start that now.
I can't help it.
You're prepared. Relax.
Easy for you to say.
Emma, seriously, you're gonna do great.
Thanks.
Door's opening. Let's go.
Sorry, excuse me.
Careful stepping down.
Okay, we made it.
Barely,
That was close.
but we're here.
And somehow not late.
Honestly, that's the biggest surprise today.
I need 5 minutes before this meeting.
Coffee first?
Absolutely. The city feels busy today.
It's always like this around 9.
I usually forget how loud downtown is.
You work here every week.
I know, but somehow it still surprises me.
That's because you spend most of your time hiding in the office.
That is not true.
Emma, you ate lunch at your desk 3 days last week.
Okay, maybe a little true.
Thought so.
Honestly, I already feel better now.
See? The morning survived you.
Barely.
But we made good time,
Yeah, we're actually early.
which means you can stop panicking.
I wasn't panicking.
You absolutely were.
Fine, maybe a little.
Understandable. Big meeting.
I just really want it to go well.
It will. You know your stuff.
I hope the client likes the presentation.
They will.
You sound very confident for someone who hasn't even seen the final version.
Confidence is free.
That explains a lot about you.
Thank you.
You know, this morning started terribly.
Coffee disaster.
Wrong bus panic.
Broken card machine.
Loud bus music.
Honestly, that part was kind of fun.
Maybe now it is.
That's how mornings work. They feel worse while they're happening.
That's strangely wise.
I have my moments.
You should write that down somewhere.
Maybe I will.
Oh, wow. The coffee shop is open already.
Perfect timing.
I seriously need caffeine before this meeting.
Now you sound alive again.
Coffee fixes everything.
Not traffic.
True.
Ready for today?
Yeah, I think I am now.
Good. Let's go impress some people. So, how do you feel now?
Much better.
See? I told you this day would work out.
Okay, you were right.
I want that in writing.
Don't push it.
Fair enough.
Honestly, this morning feels so long ago now.
A lot happened before 9 o'clock.
Seriously.
Let's review the chaos.
Please don't call it chaos.
Too late.
Fine. First, we almost got on the wrong bus.
That was close.
Then the next bus was completely full.
Classic Monday morning.
After that, the card machine stopped working.
You looked so stressed searching for coins.
Because everyone was waiting behind me.
The bus driver was nice, though.
Yeah, he really was.
Then we got free dance music on the ride downtown.
Please stop calling it free dance music.
I'm still impressed by that guy's confidence.
I'm still impressed by how loud his phone was.
And then we almost missed our stop.
That part was stressful.
But we made it.
Barely.
Still counts.
You know what's funny?
What?
This morning felt terrible at first.
And now?
Now it just feels kind of funny.
That's usually how these things go.
I guess so.
And your meeting went great.
Yeah, that helped too.
Told you you'd do great.
I know. Thanks for helping me stay calm today.
Anytime.
Tomorrow has to be easier than today.
Careful. Don't challenge the universe like that.
Good point.
Same bus tomorrow morning?
Unfortunately, yes.
Well, at least now we're prepared.
And next time, I'm bringing extra coffee.
That was today's story from English Listening Stories. Emma's morning started with stress, crowded buses, and small problems. But little by little, things became better. She made it downtown, her meeting went well, and she finished the day feeling calmer and more confident. And you listened through the whole journey in English. Good job! Even short daily conversations can help your English grow step by step. Listening to natural English again and again helps your ears feel more comfortable with real conversations. Now here is the listening question again. What problem does Emma have on the bus? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing in English is a simple way to practice, and it can help you remember new words and phrases longer. And if you enjoyed this relaxing story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly English listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you again in the next English Listening Story.